Los Angeles, California. A homeowner says that this woman trespassed by hopping over her fence. That looks like a pretty high fence that she hopped over. The porch pirate pretended to be looking for a daycare, but there's no daycare here.
Yes, how can I help you?
Hey, is this daycare? Is this daycare?
No, please leave the property. How did you... No, please leave the property.
Huh? Huh?
Please, how did you get in? The gates are locked.
Gate. The gate.
Please leave. Please leave.
Yes. The gate.
Okay, I understand that, but please find your way out.
Okay.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God. My heart's pounding.
But the door is locked, right?
Yeah. I can't see the side.
Oh. Is Paul home or is he
No,
working?
no, he doesn't work. I hope she doesn't go escape.
Hide your Ring camera. Turn your Ring cam into a hidden camera with Cam Masker. Compatible with Ring Indoor Cam, Ring Stick-Up Cam Battery, and Ring Stick-Up Cam Plug-in. Cam Masker, the #1 way to hide your Ring cam. Cam Masker hides your Ring camera without interfering with its various functions. Order yours today at cammasker.com. Cam Masker, the #1 way to hide your Ring cam.